We will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on deposit individuals here, just click on it. Come here to recurring here deposits, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here recurring deposits notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.